Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Nello here as always, and you guys, today's video is going to be very interesting because I don't think I've done a makeup video in such a long time. I know what, you guys, from the title you already know that I'm going to be trying the Scott Barnes makeup that he did on Tati. Scott Barnes is JLO'S makeup artist. See, I'm sure you guys are very familiar with this video now. This video was put out when I'm looking at my screen, that's why I'm looking down. Was put out March 2019, so it's been a whole year, and recently it started trending again and a lot of people did it, and now that the trend has finished is when I have decided to come and do my own. Why, I do not know. I don't even know why I did not just do it then. Actually, I didn't even know what it was about then, let me not even lie, because I've not been watching a lot of makeup videos. But anyways, you guys know that I am a mom of 3 with such a busy life. I do makeup quite alright, but I never actually take my time to do it like this when I get to do makeup. So it'll be interesting for me to try out today. Hopefully these children will not burden at any time and come and start disturbing my life, because I actually want to take my time and see how this will turn out. So if you're interested in that, just make sure to stay tuned because I am quite interested in that. Okay, yeah, let's start.
For what? I don't really for what.
He doesn't use primer. So guys, he doesn't use primer. I was watching to like wait for him to put primer so that I'll prime my face, but he doesn't use primer. Tati asked him, he said for what? So we're diving right in. So the first thing he's doing on her face is putting putting concealer under her eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and start. So I can see that the concealer he's using is really bright. So I have 2 concealers. I have one concealer that is actually that bright because I generally don't like to buy concealers that are too light. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the In My Skin by Nubian Beauty, which is a Nigerian brand. That is the concealer that I'm going to be using today. I absolutely love this concealer, but I don't use it that much because I think I bought the wrong shade. I feel like it's a little bit too neutral and too bright on my face, but the finish is really good. So I'm going to be using that today. You guys, this thing is not easy to follow. I feel like I'm already getting it wrong. So at this point, he goes in with a brush and kind of like buff out the concealer a little bit. So let's do that. Then for this nose, he kind of brushed it up. I don't know how this is going to work, but
so that everybody can see this.
I don't know how this is going to work.
And you can do this on yourself, which is very easy. Okay. I blend it up this way. See? And I got really great new lashes. I can't wait to share all this stuff with you.
I know.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, no. Oh god. Okay. It's time to move on to contour. Yeah, let me grab my contour. So guys, for my contour today, I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Stick in Deep Dark 2110. This is it. I've had this for a long time, but I don't actually use it that much because I don't do cream contour a lot. But today we're going to be using it, and he's using a brush. So let me just grab a brush. Let me use this brush.
Now the trick to having a fuller lip is not overlining it to death.
So at this point, he's overlining her lips for a fuller lip. But you guys can see how full these lips are, but let's just still contour above it, but not necessarily overlining it because they're already very luscious, okay? We don't need them looking any bigger than they already look. I think I overlined it. This is so difficult. So it's time to use foundation to blend it all together, and today I'm going to be using this Juvia's Place foundation. This foundation is really the foundation that is closest to my skin tone that I currently have, so I'm going to be using that today. Wow, it's actually blending. He went on and added blush, but he used a cream blush, which I don't have. Then now he's blending under the eyes. So I'm going to go ahead, but he's actually using a brush, but the brush I have that can do that is already dirty because I use it for contour. So I'm going to use my beauty blender. I feel like my contour is crooked. I can tell that my contour is crooked. So the next thing is to set the whole face with powder. He didn't exactly bake, but he just set everywhere. And he put more powder under the eyes. I'm guessing because he has not done the eyeshadow. Okay, and he went on and put highlight. Because he used a liquid blush, which I didn't use, I'm going to go ahead and add a blush before I highlight. Guys, like I look so weird. Like I would never do my makeup in this order ever. I've never done it. I probably never will after today, but let's just finish this video. So he puts little foundation under the brows, and he focused it at the like outer part of the brow. So I normally use my Juvia's Place palette, Juvia's Place, I don't know what I just said. For everything that has to do with bronzing and contour, I normally bronze with this, contour with this. I actually never use this, but yeah, I normally use this too. So I'm going to use that as well. So now over to the lips. He basically just used lip gloss because, you know, he used the lining that he did with the foundation. So I'm going to use two colors to achieve like something somewhat neutral for me. So now he's over to doing the brows. So I'm just going to use this Beauty Line by Didi pencil. Fun fact, I don't know why I never do this. You know that concealer trick that you just put little concealer before drawing your brows? You don't need to conceal your brows anymore. Like, it's crazy. I've never actually done this before. Maybe I've done it, but I just didn't take it serious. But you actually don't need to conceal your brows anymore. Like, it looks like I've already like lined my brows and concealed it. You guys, I'm impressed. I am impressed. So now we're doing eyeshadow. I'm probably not going to do the exact same eyeshadow that he did. I'm just going to do something very similar. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead, apply lashes, and I'm going to go ahead, apply mascara and put on my lashes, and I'll be right back. You guys, we're finally coming to an end. I'm going to go ahead and marry everything with powder. He didn't use a setting spray, but sis, I'm going to be using a setting spray because all the layers that we put on this face, I don't know, I just feel like it needs to all come together. So guys, I am finally done, and see, let me be honest with you guys. You see all these things people just watched now? It is highly unnecessary, okay? It is not even necessary in any way, because to be honest, I feel like my face looks how it normally looks, just a bit cakier, if you get what I mean. Because he used a whole lot of products, and or maybe I used a whole lot of products, I don't know. But like, I mean, I look fine. I'm a fine girl. Whether I have makeup on or not, your girl is fine. I know that. Thank you very much. But it's just not what it. Okay, I can just do a little, like a thin layer of foundation, like I normally do my normal little highlight and contour, and just move on with my life. I don't have to go through this whole process. Even if I'm going to do this again, which I probably wouldn't, but even if I'm going to do it again, I'm going to use way less products and just make it work. Because to be honest, like a lot of products I have, they are really good full coverage, so I don't really need that much. My face feels so heavy right now, but that being said, everything blended so easily, blended so well. The technique clearly works, because you guys, like, I can't see any harsh line. I feel like my contour might be a little bit too harsh, but you guys know that I love harsh contour, so that's no problem for me. But yes, it blended very well. It all worked out at the end. Okay, when you're applying this, you're gonna look a little bit crazy. You are going to look crazy, but at the end, I mean, let me shift back a little bit. Yeah, like at the end, it looks okay. It looks good, as in I'm glowing. I'm sure you guys can see my glow from there. I definitely look good, and I am about to take a whole bunch of pictures. Follow me on Instagram right here, so that you're going to get to see all these pictures, because why not? Okay, I'm going to post it on my Instagram mostly. I post a lot of my stories, but I'm going to try and post it more on my feed. But yes, this is how it came out. I actually love it. I love it. I'm just not going to go through this stress ever again. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Did you try this makeup out, or would you ever try it out? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Do you think it was worth it? Do you think I look different? Like, do you think this makeup is better than what I normally do, or do you think what I normally do is better? And a lot of people are going to be like, this makeup is so much. Why you normally do it better? Your natural face is better. Thank you. Thank you. I know I'm fine. Whether I have makeup or not, like I said, I know that I'm fine. But just generally speaking, do you think that my normal method of doing makeup is better than this method? Because to be honest, I kind of feel like we arrived at the same results. Anyways, this outro has been too long. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. And your girl will see you guys in my next video. Okay? Bye.